Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of Ethereum, one of the most revolutionary technologies in the blockchain space. So what exactly is Ethereum and how does it work? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of this game-changing platform. First things first, Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform. Unlike Bitcoin, which is primarily a digital currency, Ethereum is designed to be a global computer network. This means it can run decentralized applications, or dApps, using smart contracts. But what are smart contracts, you ask? Imagine a vending machine. You insert a coin, select your item, and the machine delivers it to you. No need for a middleman. Smart contracts work in a similar fashion. They are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. Once the conditions are met, the contract executes itself. This eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Ethereum was proposed by a young programmer named Vitalik Buterin in late 2013. He envisioned a platform more versatile than Bitcoin, one that could support a wide range of decentralized applications. Fast forward to today, and Ethereum has become the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Impressive, right? Now let's talk about Ether, or ETH. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network. It's used to pay for transaction fees and computational services on the Ethereum network. Think of it as the fuel that powers the Ethereum machine. When you send Ether or interact with a smart contract, you have to pay a fee known as gas. This gas fee compensates the network's miners for the computational work required. Speaking of miners, Ethereum currently uses a consensus mechanism called proof of work, also known as POW. This involves miners solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and secure the network. However, Ethereum is in the process of transitioning to a new consensus mechanism called proof of stake, or POS. In POS, validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This shift aims to make the network more energy efficient and scalable. One of the most exciting aspects of Ethereum is its potential to revolutionize industries like finance, real estate, and supply chain management. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a prime example. DeFi platforms leverage Ethereum's infrastructure to create financial services that are open, transparent, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Imagine borrowing, lending, and earning interest without ever stepping into a bank. That's the power of Ethereum. So there you have it. Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a groundbreaking platform that's set to change how we interact with technology and each other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.